the cold wind sway. Heard a low song at the break of day. Got a man humming with a weather grin. Said tie your boots tight if you're stepping in. I said I ain't got much, just a will to keep. He laughed real low like the valley's deep. Oh, climb on, carry me slow through the snow where the hard winds blow. If I slip, don't let me know, just lead me on where the wild trails go. Met a ridge with a crown of ice, sky burning gold in the morning light. It said turn back now or lose your way, but I kept on pushing through the white and gray. Every step felt steep, every breath like stone, but I ain't never been afraid to roam. Oh, climb on, carry me slow through the snow. Trails go. Wind was crying ice below. Heard the peaks call soft and low. Three long echoes in the night, sounding wrong but feeling right. Come on, take me home to the heights where the free souls roam. If I'm gone, don't carve no stone, just lay me down where the high winds moan. Così va bene.
Guarda il piede da quanto è freddo, è diventato rosso.
Ecco sulla scarpa.
No! Ah, Gesù, papà.